Hello, art friends. We're going to be drawing this fun little character. And so to begin with, I'm just loosely laying it out in pencil. And then you're going to continue drawing in pencil, so you can erase if you want, but I'm going to go in with marker so you can see what I'm doing. Just putting in the face, zigzaggy hair, putting in the top of the face with zigzags. Now I'm going to come in, draw two little lines for the neck, a little V starting the shirt, and then I'm going to get the shoulders on there, getting the little backpack strap lines with some curvy lines. There's the other design on his sleeve. Now I'm coming in with the rest of the sleeve and the bottom of the shirt with some kind of geometric lines. Looking good. Now I'm coming in with the bottom of the sleeve, starting the pants, which are kind of more geometric, more angled. There we go. Coming back up. And I'm going to put the shadow line on. Get the shoes on with a curved line at the end. And then the edge of the shirt. And they have their hands in their pockets.